Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a new DP mining platform that I want to introduce to you, and we are early to join this. It's not too late. You can still join this platform. It is called Taker Protocol. Bitcoin is 75 layers, that is scaling Bitcoin order up to 100x. You see the pin post that was released on April 15. Taker is building a community around BTC order, whether it's Taker's Sowing launched 300 million in Taker to incentivize BTC order. So you have so many informations about this project, and a lot of company are partnering with this project. So it is early we join. You can see that Electric Capital is also Dragonfly is also joining them, while DCG Co is also joining them. So the mining is very simple. It's just a DP mining project that I will guide you through the processes on how to do that in this video. So I will drop the link in the Telegram channel as well in the video description. Copy the link and place it in your browser. Guys, if you are using your mobile device, you can use Mrs. browser. If you are using your laptop, then use any browser of your choice. Now here it comes up like this. Here is how it looks like. Light mining airdrop. So brave the Taker light mining crew and unlatches your pre-validation powered for the mainnet. By participating, you are not just mining, you are ranking up points that will be your golden ticket to Taker layers 1 incentive. So you can have a lot of information here. You have no starting mining, you see the connect wallet. So here is how it looks like. The first thing you have to do, guys, is to tap on this button that says connect wallet. Then here you have different wallets here, so I will use MetaMask. You can use any one, so click on MetaMask. So now click on this next button, click on connect. Comes up again, click on connect button, scroll down, tap on approve button to approve this transaction. Click on switch network if it brings out this important information. Now connecting in process. Just wait for this connection to fully complete on this website. It comes up like this that you need to sign in. Click on sign in button to send to this website. So now that you've connected, you can see that your wallet address comes up here. Then once you've connected your wallet address, then try refresh this page, and once you've refreshed the page, then tap on this button that says start mining. Click on it. Now you can see that the mining has been started. You have to come back to this place and repeat this process in the next 24 hours. Now that you've completed all this, then here is your referral link. Tap on this copy to copy your referral link, share it with family, friends. Then here you have some social media tasks that you need to complete on this platform. By follow them on X, click on this to bind and follow them on X, then follow them on Telegram. Just complete all these small tasks, guys. They are just one-time tasks that you can complete on this platform. Once you've completed all these tasks, then scroll down a bit. Then here is also some daily tasks that you need to participate on this platform. So this is just a simple information you need to do on this platform. And guys, don't joke with this project. This might be a game changer. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon, guys, on our next video.